It's your boy back at it again today. So today I'm gonna be making a dessert. Hey, you know the holidays come up, so if you really want to impress your family, hey, go ahead and try this dish out right here. So I'm gonna be making an upside down pineapple cake first. The ingredients you're gonna need to make this recipe is just some cake mix, yellow cake mix, brown sugar, cherries, 3 eggs. That's a half cup of brown sugar, pineapple slices, a half cup of vegetable oil, and instead of doing the water, I'm gonna do a half cup of pineapple juice pulled from the pineapples, and then melted butter. Okay, so what we're gonna start off first, simplest thing. Open up the cake mix. Gonna add in my 3 eggs. Half cup of vegetable oil. And 1 cup of pineapple juice is optional for the water. It's gonna really get that pineapple flavor deep down in it all the way through the cake. I bet y'all wondering why Son of Smoke using a whisk. Hey, I just wanted to do it the old-fashioned way today. Okay, so we're gonna spray our cake pan heavily all around the side because you don't want to stick on the edges either. With pan, butter, whatever you prefer. Now we're going to pour butter in the bottom of it. And I'm going to show you why we're going to do this in a sec. So we want to put the brown sugar all over the bottom. And we're just going to spread the brown sugar all around the bottom in the butter. Place your pineapples all around the bottom of the cake pan. Just place it over. Now the cherry is optional, but I'm going to put a cherry in the middle of each one. Now we're just going to pour our cake mix just over top of the cake, just over top of the pineapple. That's why it's called an upside down. And we're just going to pour like we would do any other cake. Now I already have my oven preheated on 350, and we're just going to put it in the oven for 35 minutes. So here you have it here. Very simple pineapple cake, man. It's a killer. I'm telling you. If you make this for your family for the holidays, they're gonna love this cake. Just look at it. All right. Well, hey, make sure you go over and check out my Instagram at Southern Smoke Boss. Hey, follow me over there. Thanks for tuning in to this video. Peace out.